Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to adjust Form W4 to hit $0 refund target in IRS US. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to adjust your Form W4 to target a $0 tax refund, meaning you break even with your tax liability at the end of the year, the IRS recommends using the IRS tax withholding estimator and then submitting a new form W4 to your employer. So the goal is to have your withholding amount precisely match your actual tax liability. So once you use this online tool, this is the most accurate way to determine the correct withholding amount for your specific situation. You need to follow the estimator's recommendation and complete a new form W4. You need to enter your personal information, filing status. You need to simply go through your multiple jobs or your spouse's jobs to complete this section. And you need to simply follow all the statements or all the steps that is given on screen. So you need to submit the form to your employer and monitor and adjust it annually. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.